Scala, but I don't wanna to take care of the Scala version management, neither install Scala on my machine. For that, let's use Docker. Let's go. Let's then set up our Scala Docker environment. I'm increasing a little bit here. Right, so I have a path that I created inside this path dev named containers. What is my path? It's here, containers. And I have here already my Python project. I will create then another project named my Scala project. Right, I will enter here my Scala project, and here I will create the classical Docker file. Here I will type from. I will use this image here. You can copy me HS Seberger /Scala -sbt column 11.0.12.5.2.13.6. I know it's a huge tag, but let's keep with this. Then I type enter, work dir /usr/src/app. Then I type cmd tail, close double quotes, comma, open close double quotes, -f, comma, open close double quotes, /dev/no, and close. And then I will finish and save this file. If I type ls, the file is there. I will check the content. You see the content is here. So then I will build this container, docker build. I will build the image actually, -t space scala -runner dot. It's building, by the way, saying that it's deprecated a version there, but no problem. Let's keep with this. And then now we will we will run this container. So I will type docker run, oops, typo here, docker run -d -name. Then let's give a name for this container, scala -container space -v. And then we needed to put this full path. So I always forget this. Let's cancel, Control V, Control C. Let's type pwd. I want to give this full path directory. So again, docker run -d -name scala container -v. Then I put all the file name, and then column, I will put that path inside of the Docker container, which is this one basically. This one, I already put the /, that's why I didn't create it. And then I type Scala runner. Then I type enter. So if I type docker ps, I have my container running. By the way, I have one Python here also running, but no problem. I can have both running. Depends on the memory of my machine. It's so far okay. So then I will, here in this path, I will create one Scala file, just like a hello world, just to say something. So just to run, I will type, the name will be hello, hello world.scala. Here inside I will type a little bit, we will code just a hello world message in Scala. So then to do this, I need to create an object, the name of the object, hello world. I will open and close curly braces, and then I will create a function here to define a function in Scala. It's similar as a lot of languages, not a func, neither function. I need to use it def. I will define the main because it will be the principal of this object. Then I will define args here. I will an array string, that is normal, and then column again, and I needed to create the type that I'm going to create here, curly braces, and then I will just print here, print ln, open close parentheses, hello Docker. Right, sounds good. So okay, so then Scala I can't run directly, so in order to run I needed to compile this Scala script, and I will use my container for sure to compile. So then I will type docker exec -it Scala container Scala C, then I will compile this file, so hello world.scala. I will type enter. It's compiling the Docker. If I the file, sorry, if I type ls, you will see that it is a compile output. So then if I type docker exec -it Scala container Scala and then hello world, because it's the name of the object there, then it will run. Let's see. Nice. Hello Docker. So then this is having a Docker running with Scala. So you have your Scala executable. And here, what I will do also, I will commit this because I have a project with this Docker file. Let me just see which path I am. Let me go one down. And I will commit this full path live, and then you will see on my GitHub. Adding Scala project. Nice. Then you should not let this go. I needed to put a git ignore, but I will let it with this for a while. Later I will change. So that's it. Follow the other videos explaining other language setup. See you.